Now, traditionally, you'd run to the store and pick up a bunch of wooden shims just like this. And after installing this entire kitchen with this ancient adjustment method, we've been wondering, is there a better way? Now, you could install such a simple run of cabinets with a $2 pack of shims. But as soon as you start getting into 3 and 4 and 5 boxes all in a row, your frustration level is going to be off the charts. So thanks to your comments and our new Easy Level cabinet leveling system, we are going to take this afternoon, which was reserved for frustration and anger, and turn it into cabinet installation bliss. And how are we going to do that? Well, a lot of you commented about the Easy Level system, and we got them. What is Easy Level? Check it out. Here's one of them right here. It's this housing right here that contains this foot that pivots on this bolt right there. There are no springs inside. It is only those two pieces. This thing is free to move. But let me put it on the counter right here. I'm going to put the adjustment rod in it. See, it's tapped right there for the adjustment rod. I'm going to screw this in, and that thing's going to pick up because it's pushing the foot down. When I screw the rod in, it's pushing that foot against the counter, raising it up. And when I back it out, it simply lowers under the weight of the cabinet, which I'm duplicating by pushing down on it with my hand. The way the system works is you've got one in the front and one in the back. And see that elongated hole in the back of the foot? That's this one right here. It allows the back rod to go through the front support and ends up on top of the adjustment screw for the front foot. So you have complete control over your cabinet. You can adjust the back foot here and the front foot here with a Robertson drive. Check it out, right there on the end. Isn't that cool? And it's time for us to install the Easy Levels. I'm going very easy on the drill. I don't want to impact and strip those out. Sweet. That couldn't have been any easier. Now let's do the last 4. My goal is to split the laser beam with the face frame. Check that out. Look at that. Let's get the rest done and we'll give you a final overview of the whole thing. All right, now let's get the back side adjusted. This is where this system really shines. That was very easy, gang. I got to tell you, I'm loving this. Dude, that is so easy. Look how we're splitting that laser beam. You could never do that with shims, or it'd take you an hour. All right, let's work my way to the right. All right, let's get this back corner up. I can't imagine doing this with shims. Look how easy that was. I just picked it up 1/8 of an inch with a squeeze of the gun. That's awesome. All right, check it out, gang. That is unbelievable. That took less than 5 minutes to perfectly adjust these cabinets. Now, our line laser, that laser beam, is less than 1/8 of an inch thick, and we are splitting it in half with the face frame and the back panel. So, what do we think about the Easy Level system, and is it worth it? So let's talk time. How much time did this take us, or on the flip side, how much time did we save by using Easy Level? It took us about another 10 minutes to put the 5 sets of Easy Levelers on the bottom. Once we had it flipped up, in less than 5 minutes, guys, we were dialed into our laser beam. My anxiety level, you know what? I didn't even have any anxiety. I was having fun. When's the last time you had fun installing cabinets? So yes, the Easy Levelers are more expensive than the shims. But you know what I see when I see a pack of shims? I see anxiety and frustration. In fact, I don't even want to hold those anymore. So I'm all aboard the Easy Level train now. I'm a huge fan. It's a great product, and we purchased all these, guys. They weren't sent to us or anything like that. And we got half our day back. All right, gang, check it out. Yes, we spent some money on the Easy Level system, but in the end, look at all the time and frustration it saved us. And in this construction industry, time is money, right? That's what you always tell me in the comments. And what kind of price can you put on the frustrations you saved yourself?